Welcome to Bhandari Marble Group. Here we are presenting a new video on exotic marble. Exotic marble is a striking and dramatic natural stone characterized by swirls of brown and soft grey accented with swatches of white on a deep grey background. This unique marble makes any project one of kind. Bhandari Marble Group introduced a limited edition of exotic natural marble. This stone is especially used for countertops, monuments, mosaic, exterior and interior wall, floor applications, fountains, pool and wall capping, stairs, window sills. The stones have been sourced from some of the finest quarries in the world, and each marble has a distinct feature by of its color and design pattern. Exotic marble has a very highest quality with a high gloss surface. Typically, the prices go up as the item becomes more rare and exotic. Exotic marble uses the latest technology including digital measurements, water jet cutting and CNC fabrication to take slabs of these natural stones and create beautiful, high-end exotic countertops for your kitchen or bathroom. Exotic marble will create eye-catching countertops that you will love. Our classic marble selection is from high quality material, but the rare and precious material of our exotic collection will give a unique look to your home. Bhandari Marble Group can also help you to create your dream kitchen. Exotic high-end countertops add to a certain sense of class and sophistication to your home. Enjoy it for years to come and know that if you ever choose to sell your property, high-end marble countertops will only speak volume of your taste and the importance you set on using top-of-the-line materials. Those who visit your home will come to appreciate that and interest will quickly generate. Exotic marble is admired by many homeowners because of its beauty. marble shows us the most capricious face of nature in all its splendor. The designs that use this type of material express an indisputable taste for the most hedonistic enjoyment of singular, evocative, and very personal environments. While many opt for common types of the natural stone, you can certainly create a unique feel for your space by choosing exotic marble. You can have a surface that is truly unforgettable and one of a kind. The exotic category features many rare colors that have intricate design. An environment covered in exotic marble awakens sensations similar to those obtained when traveling, discovering, or experiencing adventures. These natural stones are work of art in themselves and imprint a strong personality to the space that surrounds them. Installing exotic marble in your home can drastically change the appearance of your space for the better. Between the beauty, durability, and other benefits marble offers, that it is the one of the best material you can use in your home. This guide will help you narrow down your search for the best types of exotic marble you can use to complete your home remodeling project. Exotic marble includes a set of 12 stones capable of providing walls and floors that never leave anyone indifferent. You can also decorate countertops in bathrooms and kitchens. Please like and share this video and drop us your query. And if you are not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.